have bought and tested 4 of Amazon's most popular knife set from Astor Cook to figure out which is the best one. They are very similar. Obviously, they're all knives, and don't worry, the similarity is not this has this many pieces, this one has that many pieces. Each set has a unique set of knives, and I'll cover that in this video. Answer pretty much every question you could absolutely have about this and kind of show you which set would be best for you. You can't really go wrong with either one of these sets. They all come in really nice boxes just like this. Super giftable. You could really just get this, wrap it, or ask Amazon just to wrap it for you. Really liked it a lot, tested all of them. We got a 21 piece set right over here. This is gonna be our 15 piece set. We got a 14 piece set, and then this is gonna be our 6 piece set. We're gonna cut all this stuff up over here as well so you can see exactly how it works. I've been testing these a lot, so let's just get into it. We're gonna go through each one individually, and then we'll take them all together and kind of show you exactly which might be the best fit for you. We're just gonna go in order 21, 15, 14, 6, just because it's just easier. So let's get started with the 21. Before we get into this, let's just get a general statement for all the knives. So all the knives are dishwasher safe. My dad is a chef, so we do not put any knives in the dishwasher. So just note that. And I've cooked my whole life, so I have a lot of experience, and I've used a lot of knives. The bottoms on all of these have like these little slits right over here. So if you put a wet knife away, the water just drains down to the bottom. I would not recommend that either, because you're supposed to dry the knife before you put it in here. But if you happen to do that, you're covered. So don't worry about that. Everything is stainless steel. The blocks on the 21, the 15, and the 14 are wood. So they're wooden blocks. They all have sharpeners. And then the 6-piece guy, no sharpener, and is made out of plastic. I'm gonna walk you through all the knives quickly that come in each one. We're gonna go fast because some are similar. I'll kind of tell you which ones are different. Then we're gonna go cut this stuff up so you can see, and I'll go through. We got chef knife right over here. This is 8 inches. This is coated in black. Again, it is rust proof, and this is stainless steel, but it has that black coating right over here. This is gonna be our panka knife right over here, 7.5 inches. We have a slicing knife right over here that is 8 inches. Bread knife, 8 inches, serrated. This has a cheese knife right over here. This is the only one that has a cheese knife. You got the serrated edge right over here, and you have this like pitchfork right over there. This is the paring knife. I think all of them do have paring knives. This one right over here is a boning knife right over here. This set is the only one to have the boning knife. So just note that. We have a peeling knife. This is also the only set to have the peeling knife. We just have our regular like utility knife right over here. Then we got a pair of scissors right over here, and then a pair of shears. This is gonna be great for poultry, cutting up chicken, just cutting meat in general. So if you do like a lot of butchering and stuff like that, this is gonna be a great set. We got the knife sharpener on the back right over here that we could sharpen the knives with. And then of course we got steak knives right over here, 4.5 inches, serrated right over here. Really, really nice. Let's jump over quickly to the 15-piece set right over here. So this is our 15-piece set. Got the holes down there, got the sharpener back there, nice little wood right over here. We got a slicing knife, 8 inches right over here. This is gonna be our sunken knife, 7.5 inches. This is gonna be our chef knife. We're gonna put all the chef knives head to head and cut all this stuff up. We got a nice little knife set right over here, or knife set, a pair of scissors. We got our paring knife, regular utility knife, and then we have a 8-inch bread knife. And the nice part about these are all these are kind of labeled right over here, so you can kind of see exactly what you want. So if someone's like, hey, can you get me the paring knife? You could just look at it and be like, yeah, this is the paring knife. All right, 14-piece set right over here. This is the only one that comes in different colors and some different sizes. So if you really like this set and you want some more pieces or a different color, this one has it. As of now, these two right over here are black. So let's get into this. This one is going to be our chef knife. You'll notice this handle is a little different. These handles are plastic. This is a harder plastic than these other two over here. We will get into the comparisons, don't worry. But I'm jumping ahead. The sharpener is right back over there. This guy right over here, we got our bread knife, 8 inches as well. We got our little utility knife right over here. That's gonna be 5 inches. This guy right over here is gonna be our slicing knife at 8 inches. This guy is going to be our paring knife right over here. Then we're gonna get steak knives right over here. 4.5 inches, same deal. You're gonna get 6 of those. And this is kind of this set right over here. Last but not least, our 6-piece guy right over here. Plastic base, holes in the bottom. You got a pair of scissors right over here. This one right over here is our utility knife, 5 inches. These handles are a little different. I'll show you all the handles in each set in just a second. This is going to be our kitchen knife. This is more like a butcher knife, but they call it a kitchen knife. This is the only set that has the butcher knife. So just know that. And then for this one right over here, we got our chef's knife. This chef's knife is a little skinnier than the other ones. And then, I don't know if I ever said that, this is the other slicing knife. So these slots could go wherever you want. Super compact on this if you don't have a lot of space. Maybe you have an RV, maybe you have an Airbnb and you want to give people some knives, but you don't want to buy them a whole set. This will get them through that. Now, let's take all the chef knives out. This is going to be from the 21 piece. This guy, chef knife. Yes, this is going to be from the 15 piece. This is going to be from the 14 piece, and this is going to be from the 6 piece. So let's get some stuff cut up and take a look at them right over here. All right, so handle wise right over here. This is, you could see little differences right over here on the handles. This is the 21, or this is the 15 rather. This is the 21, I'm sorry. This is the 21. This is the 15, this is the 6, and then this guy right over here is going to be your 14. So very different handles. They are all comfortable handles. In terms of blades here, this is, you could see the difference in blades right over here, kind of the big. This is going to be the smallest blade right over here. I would say this one is also on the smaller side, but delivers a lot of power. And these are probably the 2 big ones over here. Now, in terms of slicing stuff up, this is the 21. Goes real easy through a potato. You want to kind of cut pepperoni, a harder meat. Really, really cuts this nicely. For this one right over here, same idea. Cut that down just like that. If you want to do carrots, really easy. If you have a bad knife, it's really hard to cut a carrot like this. It just goes flying around, and you're always kind of like nervous that it's going to slip. You don't have to worry about that with any of these knives. Really just like how these operate. Super easy to clean as well. Like I said, you do have the option to clean them in the dishwasher if that's what you wanted to do. We hand wash them or whatever. You'll see here, if you have like a paper towel, you can kind of just wipe it clean just like that. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Obviously we use water and stuff like that, but if you're kind of just cutting something wet and wanted to just wipe it down just like that, that's kind of what they look like. It is kind of nice too. You don't really have like watermarks and like nasty stuff on these either after you use them and you kind of like wipe them off, which is a nice little feature. So which one is going to be the best for you or your situation or what you're gifting or whatever? I think it just depends on what you want besides the different piece count. So I think the 21 piece is going to be for you. If you are like a foodie kitchen person, you want all the knives. I think if you do a lot of butchering too, the 21 piece is going to be the best one for you, because in the 21 piece one, in terms of butchering, you do get that boning knife in this one. So you would have this, where is that? Yeah, you'd have this boning knife right over here. You also have the peeling knife on this one, where if you wanted to kind of like take some fat off of stuff, this boning knife is definitely really nice. You're like, why do I need a boning knife? You'd be surprised when you're trying to cut like fat off of something. It really makes a difference if you have a really good boning knife. You get the pruning shears as well. So if you're kind of cutting up meat, chicken, stuff like that, instead of just having a pair of scissors like the other one, you have a nice shear. And you're gonna get the most steak knives in this. So this is kind of for the person who wants it all, wants all the bells and whistles, loves to cook, and you have that knife sharpener. I think the 21 piece is gonna be for you. Now, in terms of these two right over here, I would say these two are very, very similar. Compared, if you're just not going by, let's just pretend you don't want butchering stuff and this one's knocked out. If this is your next two choices right over here, the difference between these two right over here is going to be style. So this one does come in different colors, different styles. Obviously, this is very different. Like this could be like, I forgot what it's called, but like a country farmhouse kitchen or whatever it is. That's gonna give you that kind of vibe. This is just kind of black. It doesn't come in any other colors. I would say in terms of knives, the handles on these are a little, I wouldn't say sturdier, but it's a harder plastic. Maybe a little bigger as well. In terms of the chef knives, this is a little bit bigger of a chef knife. They both have knife sharpeners, so that's really not a make or break. But that's kind of the main difference. I think the scissors too. This pair of scissors is much bigger and is a little bit more easier to grip than this one right over here. So that's the difference between those two. Both have the same amount of steak knives. Both are serrated, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this 6-piece guy right over here is probably gonna be the best fit for the person. You know, you don't have a lot of space. Maybe it's good for college, RV. You just want some basic knives. You want a chef knife. You do want this butcher knife right over here. This is kind of cool. I really do like this knife. I'm surprised these other sets don't have this knife because it is a very nice knife, especially if you're doing, like this should be in this one right here because you could do like a lot of butchering with this, but I digress. So that's kind of the difference between these 4 knives and which one would be the best for you. Again, these are all dishwasher safe. They all have drainage at the bottom if you put it away. They are all rust proof, all stainless steel. The handles are plastic in these. They make really great gifts. I mean, I would love to be gifted a knife set, but instead I bought all these to test them. Can't really go wrong with either one of these. It's just gonna depend. Like I said, if you do a lot of butchering, a lot of cooking, a lot of, you just want all the knives because you like to play around, make a lot of food like I do. The 21 piece, you cannot go wrong with that. It has everything you could possibly want to need. If you don't want all the bells and whistles and stuff, the simpler sets are going to be these two right over here, the 15 and the 14. The biggest difference between this is just kind of style and color. They're all sharp, they all work well. And then this guy right over here, if you're kind of short on space, you don't care about a sharpener, that will be for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right knife set for you and cook a lot of great stuff.